think a woman owned it.
Why you say that?
It's been wrecked. Drive that to your Mexican restaurant, grab a margarita. I think these are truly the next hidden gem, and if you see one, go buy it. While getting ready, we started looking at this Bronco, my brother and I. We checked out the front frame rails, and this thing sure has been smacked. I know we've all seen it in the pictures and everything, but if you look closely, the passenger side that looks perfectly fine is moved over about 1/2 inch at the headlight bucket. So plans on this may change.
It's like Swamp Thing had a car. Front horns on the frame rail are kicked over about 2 inches. Who would have guessed that that was the case? As you look at it, you can totally see that it has been gollywopped to one side. You doing all that soap, you just wasting money.
I'm gonna spray the inside too.
Oh my God.
I mean, it can't.
You gonna spray the door jambs? Spray the door jambs.
Dude, I'm gonna spray the dash and everything.
Just thought, God, just rip that whole door panel off real quick.
Probably should, to be honest.
Got some gloves, I'll take some hatred out on it later.
I at least want to get the hand areas clean in the seats. I think a woman owned it.
Why you say that?
It's been wrecked.
And on that note, he just lost 34 subscribers.
No, on a serious note, it's got...
Serious note, you don't have any women subscribers. Well, that makes sense
Yeah,
too.
there's a couple. It's got jewelry mark around the key.
It could have been some 1980s pimp.
Oh my God, dude, the rat crap. It's serious. Surrey's interested.
What the?
Is it Surrey or Siri?
It's Siri.
All right, it's time.
Surrey. It's like you're from Sri Lanka or something.
Cody's watching the new video drop. Bronco's getting clean. Cody's about to wet sand the clear off his car. We'll throw that in on another video. Those Atlanta knots. We're gonna do a wipe on clear coat. I don't have any cups to spray it right now, and I'm too lazy to go get them. So we'll just wipe it on. The car needs a paint job anyways.
It's perfect weather too. So, yeah, doing the pressure washing inside the truck.
Dirty scuff 320. Cody's already sanded it. We're not sanding it all the way down. We're trying to save this base color, so there's going to be crap for now. And then we're going to do a wipe on clear. This car is going to get repainted on the channel another day. We're just trying to put some lotion on some sunburn. I wish I could buy this exact brand without the tag. I don't like buying tagless because they're always cheap. This is my tag cloth. That's a joke.
Could have got some tag cloth.
No, I don't like tag cloth. It's good, but I don't know. There's pros and cons. If we do paint this car, we're going to pull mirrors, headlights, taillights, emblems. So those are the things that you need to start preparing for, like emblems and stuff.
Yeah.
And then, because we can probably save them, but we might replace them.
Hey, some nice gloves.
Yep, I'll be reusing them. I need a mixer.
I don't know what this hood is exactly, but
That's a Savini's Cobra.
they don't make them anymore. They're weird looking now. Like the scoop itself is way too big.
Yeah.
And it's sharp. It don't roll real like a big edge like this does.
So you'll see striping in it, but then it'll lay out. Or we can clear the whole car. But it's dirty, we didn't wash it.
Can't recam that stuff and hold it.
No, because it's already got the catalyst in it.
As I said, I don't know much about painting.
Yep. Well, I was trying to do it in a half portion first, but I realized I didn't have enough.
Looks like you got a little dry spot on the center of the hood.
Yeah, we're going to two-coat it. I'll hit that, but we're going to go over it all again.
Good eye, mate.
Yep. It looks like glass, don't it?
It does. Alright, we're going to get down and dirty.
We're almost being abusive right here, dude.
Yeah, well, had a bunch of clear, wipe on clear left over. We was going to throw it away. Said, why not?
Down and dirty.
This is literally the epitome of polishing a turd.
Pedals Paint Shop.
Where you don't want to pay for what you're getting.
Look at this.
Because you're already paying for it.
Now I'm going to get rude. I'm just going to scrub it in. what not to do.
Yeah, getting it
Oh,
all
there's
over,
leaves.
getting it all over your hoodie.
Restore that.
What I want you to do is hit that top, really seal in that algae you didn't get sprayed off.
Yes.
And what you don't know is I'm here recording for Piddle, so I don't have to go home and fix a dishwasher drain pipe.
Dude, ours is already going out. It's 5 years old.
The dishwasher?
LG. Yep. It sounds like a chainsaw.
Yeah, the dishwasher I got from y'all still working great.
20 years old.
The drain pipe I installed brand new, busted.
Dang.
Yeah, so I had to buy a heavy duty one. And then whenever I get home, I'm gonna install it, pull the dishwasher out, and install a new drain pipe.
Good
Drain hose.
Dude, that don't look half bad.
Dude, don't talk it up. Does it look slightly better?
Well,
As every vehicle does when it's wet. Did you literally chalk the tire with the chain?
yes.
Yeah, I hear wasting this on that, and you could have done it to this beast.
No, I ain't clearing that. That's gonna
Could have cleared that wheel. Where's it locked in that patina?
That's gonna get it. That's not a bad idea, actually. If they had made the roof come off of these, they would have never went out. Restored.
Got a bullet hole in the headlight.
Restoring.
You just cleared them off and it flew off. Go show off its new clear job. So does the van have a name yet?
No, I've been calling it the pole barn van.
Yeah, I think it's gonna need a name as soon as you start doing some work on it. And I'm thinking that name either needs to be Big Bertha
No.
or Gertrude. Imagine a Gertrude sticker right across that windshield.
Terrible, dude.
Could be Tabitha, right? You got like a tabby cat color going on.
Tabitha's all started out attractive and then they blew up. Just like this van.
Insider scoop.
I think this is going to become a buggy or something, a little tow rig around the yard. We will see. I don't know. It's a clean Bronco. It can be fixed. That's a 10-foot clear. Jesus is Lord. And the Bronco looks fully restored from here. Ha ha! Don't look right there in this very cinematic walk around. Don't look right there. Oh,